welcome to Chef David channel. Today we are going to learn how to do chicken peri peri. I know you are going to enjoy this spicy chicken. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Friends, let's get started with the ingredients we are going to use for the peri peri chicken. Okay, we have extra virgin olive oil, sweet smoked paprika, lemon, which are going to use both the juice and a little zest, fresh thyme. And you have not used fresh thyme to marinate your chicken before, please try it and you give me a thumb up for this. You have half of large onion, 2 red chili, 2 jalapeno hot red chili, fresh coriander, 4 green chili, about 15 grams of fresh ginger, charcoal. Don't worry about the charcoal. Later we are going to know what you are going to use for. And 10 skinless drumstick of chicken. A little information about peri peri chicken is it's a Portugal dish, but it has its origin from Africa, Angola and Mozambique to be precise. And peri peri is a Swahili language. Swahili is a East African language, which means pepper or hot pepper. Beautiful. This is nice. I love it. Ladies and gentlemen, I will give 3 nice cuts to the bones of the drumstick. There are 2 main reasons why I am cutting the chicken to the bone. 1, to make sure that the spices penetrate into the chicken through the bone, so that even if you want to chew the bone, you can chew the bone and it will take very nice. And 2, to make sure the pan really cook the chicken well, because we are not going to use normal grill, but we are going to use grill pan, and the heat will not be too much powerful like the normal grill. So you cut it into the bone so that the heat can penetrate faster and cook faster. Thank you. Let's go on cutting our chicken. This reminds me of one Ghana funny song: cow and chicken, chicken, cow and chicken, chicken, cow and chicken, 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 chicken. Use half of the lemon juice for the chili sauce, and I'll put the half here. A little bit salt, because of we put salt in the sauce, just a little bit, so that our chicken will not be over salted. I add our spicy chili sauce. My gosh, the flavor is just amazing. All the spices are bringing out its unique flavor, and my friend, I can't wait to taste this chicken. I will transfer into this pot. Beautiful. And I like my marination not to be very smooth, because peri peri should have visibility of the chili. You are coming to see the reason why I mentioned the charcoal in the recipe. Our burning charcoal here, a little olive oil. Beautiful. I have covered it with the lid. This is how we are going to get smoky flavor in our chicken. So if you taste it, it will not be like you have done it in a grill pan, but it will be like you have grilled it on a char grill. And when you cover it, make sure the lid have a little hole here, because we are going to make this one stay for at least 1 hour to make sure the smoke really go inside the chicken to have a nice flavor. So with this hole, you get oxygen inside the pot, because fire needs minimum of 16% oxygen in the air to burn. It's 1 hour now. I will set this off to medium, and you can see there is this smoke coming out of the pot. This shows our peri peri chicken is highly flavored with the smoke. And even if you want to enjoy the bones, you will still feel the smoke on the bones of our peri peri chicken. Pan is hot. Little bit olive oil. And gradually this granite coated non-stick pan has become my favorite of all the equipment I'm using. It does everything very easy. Mashallah. Yeah, friend, don't put too much chicken in the pan at a time. Make sure there are spaces between all the chicken thighs so that you will get the beautiful peri chicken we are looking for. Because if you put too much, there will not be even distribution of heat, and instead of the chicken grilling, it will be steaming and you will not like it at the end. It's about 4 minutes now. Let's see how it looks. Beautiful. Sexy. Wow. Charlie, I like everything about this peri chicken. I like the color and I know how spicy it's going to be. And I really love the cooking temperature. This will be around 160 degrees Celsius. It's not cooking the chicken too fast and it's not slow to bring more juice from the chicken. So this will make sure the chicken is cooked to the bone. Yeah, friends, our peri chicken is ready and I'm 100% sure it is cooked to the bone because some of the meat is even tearing apart. And the whole cooking process took about 20 minutes and I'll serve it with Lyonnaise potato, which I will leave a link below the video description. Dear friends, the peri chicken is ready. You can testify how beautiful it looks. And please, this is very nice and I know you will love it when you try it. Please, if you're new here or you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime I make a new video, you get a notification. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.